Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create one of the very delicious and traditional recipe, that is lamb shahi jali kabab. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. And if you have any opinion, please let me know through the comment section. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. So today here I take 1 kilo of lamb. I just steam this lamb with 1 teaspoon of salt. I didn't add any extra water. Then I'm going to add 5 bread slices which I just soaked from the water and squeeze it. And I'm going to use this bread slice just as a binder. After that, I'm going to add 1 egg. This is also work as a binder of the kebab. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot and tomato ketchup. After that, I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. Here I take 8 to 10 green chili slice, 2 medium size of onion slice, and 1 cup of coriander and 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. I'm going to add all the ingredients together. Then I'm adding here 2 tablespoons of mint slice that will give a extra very fresh texture and smell of the kebab. Here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Then I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of cooking salt. Just keep in mind that I use already 1 teaspoon of salt during the steaming of the keema. So here I also adding half cup of corn flour, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 pinch of nutmeg. This nutmeg is completely optional. If you don't want to add this one, you can ignore it. So now I'm going to mix all the ingredients properly and I will keep it in marinade for near about 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm going to start to frying this kebab. Here this is the consistency, and after 1 hour, and I already made few of the pieces. Now I'm going to start to frying this kebab. And as a fry, I'm here using 2 eggs. Here I using breadcrumb. Now first I will just coat the kebab with the breadcrumb, then I'm just soaked with the egg. Then I will put this kebab in the hot oil. Just keep in mind that the temperature is very important during frying of this kebab. We need to maintain the temperature, must be medium to lower heat of temperature. And I am going to frying this kebab in total 10 minutes, 5 minutes in each side. And the rest of the egg I'm just spreading all over the kebab. That will give the extra crispiness of the kebab. So this is the look after 8 minutes. So I'm going to cook it for near about another 2 minutes. whole process I cooking in done just in medium to lower heat of temperature. I'm turning all the kebab to the other side. So this is the final look of my kebab, that is a lamb shahi jali kebab. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know your opinion. Thank you so much for watching and see you in next video. Bye and take care.